Priyanka Chopra Jonas may not have given the defining performance in the recently released film The White Tiger, nor did she essay the title role, but she is sure trying to live the avatar on social media. Her latest post on Tuesday suggests as much. Priyanka posted a picture on Instagram, twinning with her pet dog Dinah. In the image, Priyanka wears a white and black tiger striped ensemble. She holds Dinah wearing a sweater, using a leash with the same print. A white tiger and her cub, she wrote alongside the image. American-Iranian filmmaker Ramin Bahrani has directed the India-centric film starring Adarsh Kaurav in the central role. The film is based on Arvind Adiga's Man Booker Prize novel of the same name. Actress Divya Khosla Kumar now has a fan following of 3 million on Instagram. She thanked her fans for the love and support on her new post on social media. Divya posted a picture on Instagram where she is seen holding a balloon. She captioned the post, "आप सबने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया. We are a family of 3 million now. Want to thank each one of you dil se for standing by me and giving me endless love and support. I love you all my Insta fam. Sending prayers, love and positivity for my Divyans." Divya also posted a video where she is seen sitting in a bathtub. She captioned the post, "Thank you my 3 million lovelies who have fallen for me. Forever grateful for your love. Only prayers and positivity your way." On the work front, Divya will next be seen in Satyamev Jayate 2 alongside John Abraham. Actor Ayushmann Khurrana and filmmaker Anubhav Sinha have once again joined hands after Article 15 for a film titled Aneet. Ayushmann posted a string of pictures on Instagram on Tuesday to make the announcement. What catches your attention immediately is Ayushmann's distinct look. The actor wears short hair and a beard. In one image, Ayushmann and Anubhav are seen holding a clapboard of the film. In a second picture, the actor sits in a vehicle. The background suggests that the film is being shot in a jungle. Excited to be collaborating with Anubhav Sinha sir again. Here's presenting my look as Joshua, Ayushmann wrote alongside the image. The film went on floors recently and the makers have planned an extensive shoot schedule in the Northeast. According to sources, Aneek is going to be director Sinha's most expensive and the big-scale film till date. The filmmaker has produced the film with Bhushan Kumar. Actress Malaika Arora on Tuesday set temperature soaring with a new post on social media. Malaika shared a string of pictures on Instagram where she is seen dressed in white t-shirt dress. She paired up her outfit with white boots and accessorized her look with an orange tote bag. She captioned the post, "Look to the left, to the right, center, just catch the light." Malaika always makes sure to make head turn with her stunning style statements. The actress is currently dating actor Arjun Kapoor. The couple made their relationship official by sharing a loved up picture on Instagram. Bollywood actress Taapsee Pannu on Tuesday shared her look in the upcoming film Loop Lapeta. Taapsee plays a character called Savvy in the film. The actress shared her first look in the film on Instagram. In the photo, she is seated on a toilet seat holding a paper strip, dressed in a simple green t-shirt, denim shorts and matching sneakers. The washroom looks old and unclean. लाइफ में कभी कभार ऐसा टाइम आता है जब हमें खुद से ये सवाल करना पड़ता है, How did I end up here? मैं भी यही सोच रही थी. Hi, this is Savvy and welcome on board a crazy ride, wrote the actress. Taapsee is currently in Goa completing the last leg of the film's shoot. She has been paired opposite Tahir Raj Bhasin for the first time. Loop Lapeta is directed by Akash Bhatia and slated to release later this year. Meanwhile, Taapsee recently completed shooting for Rashmi Rocket. The film narrates the story of a runner from the Run of Kutch who fights for her identity and becomes an athlete.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.